it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we are unboxing our BoxyCharm for the month of April 2024. So I'm going to get right into this box here. But the cost of this box is $30 plus $1.99 shipping and handling. You do get 5 full-size products in this box, which is why I like this box. And the value could be up to $200 for the value of your box. So without further delay, we're going to get in here, and this box generally has skincare and makeup, and sometimes they do like beauty tools in here as well, so that is occasional, but you do get to pick one item out of your box. So I did pick, and we're going to see what I got. Let's go. We have our little newspaper here, and inside our newspaper we have our theme, welcome home, I guess is the theme here. And inside they do give you a little information about some of the favorite items in the box, the mega drop sale going on, and on the back trying to get us hyped for the icon box, which I believe is next month. Yes, next month, May. That is what we got going on here. So let's see what I got this month, right? So guys, the first item I'm pulling out my box here, I have a First Aid Beauty product, and this is their hydrating eye cream. This product retails for $30. This is a full size of the product. I'm going to pop it out here so you guys can see it. You know, this is a lot for eye cream. Eye cream, you only need like a little dot on your finger, so this will last for quite some time. But this particular product, what it does is it says fine lines, puffiness, dryness. This fast absorbing eye cream helps to address all of them thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid, depuffing caffeine, and soothing cordial oatmeals. So again, you just need a little small dot, and you would just tap it underneath your under eyes, and that's how you would use this product. So that's the first item we have here, is the First Aid Beauty hydrating eye cream. So let's see what our next product is. So guys, the next item out of my box is a item that I did pick. This is a Kayali perfume, and I actually did not have any of the Kayali scents in my perfume collection, and I actually wanted to try this out. So we have invite only. This product retails for $29, and let me just pull it out of the box so you can see it. This is the full travel size item here. So guys, this product here has a fragrance of intoxicating notes like amber resin, Madagascar vanilla, black cherry, and tobacco leaf. It says this touches of rose and citrus leaf to create a very soft yet tantalizing finish. So I love perfumes. That's my thing. That's my jam. Makes me very happy. Oh, I do smell the black cherry. That's one of the stronger notes. I want a hint of that tobacco in there. I like it. I can't wait to use this a little bit more. I like that. I like that. So yeah, we got the Kayali scent. So that is our second item out of the box. So let's move on to our next item, guys. The next item I'm pulling out, I have the Nabla eyeliner. This is their Cupid's Arrow, and this is a repeat in the box. I did get to pick this because I didn't like the other options, and I know I did like this eyeliner, which is what I'm wearing today. So this eyeliner here, it's pretty intense. So you have to have a light hand. I used it on the top and the bottom, but you do have to have a light hand putting this one on. And this is our product out of the box here. This product retails for $20, and it says looking for the lines as precise as a Cupid's arrow. You're finally met your match. This is a multi-use pencil, boasts of rich creamy textures with immediate and intense color payoff. It is perfect from anything to a smoky to a smudge look, and precise and sharp lines, which I completely agree. I really like using this. So when it was one of the options I could select, I just picked it up again because I like it. So this is what I am already using, is the Nebula. So that worked out perfect. So let's check out our next item. So guys, the next item I have here, we have a Glowiest Peekaboo AHPHA Skin Perfecting Toner. I do enjoy toners. So this is a nice size bottle here. This says cleanse, exfoliate, and pore refining. This product is valued at $20. I have not used this brand before, so this will be the first time with me trying out this brand. But the information that we have here says it's a gentle multitasking toner. Will have you on your way to perfect skin. It's infused with AHAs, as well as PHAs to help cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin and leave your skin looking ultra glowy. So I can't wait to try this. And again, this is retail for $20. So let's see what the last item in my box is. So I have a Violet Voss palette, which I'm very excited about. So this one retails for $43, and this is supposed to be an all-in-one kind of palette. So let me just take it out of here. But the palette is called Pretty in Paradise, and it says whether you want a subtle or bold look, this full face tropical inspired palette delivers. So it does have a mirror, which we're going to fold down so I don't blind you guys. But this is our Violet Voss palette, and I've used her palettes before. I really do like her palettes. So we have a face and eyeshadow palette here. So you have this bronzy kind of, what they call it, coconut cream, and then we have this Island Rose, which I'm assuming you can use both of them like to help contour and do blush with. And then we have these beautiful shades here. They're very very nice looks, like you can do something very simple to something kind of fun. So these four here are more like shimmers, and these are the two mattes that we have here on the end. So I think you could create some pretty nice looks with this palette. Again, the palette is valued at $43. So this is one of the last items that's in our box here. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. So overall, I would say my top picks out of this box, of course, is going to be like the eyeshadow palette. Of course, I love eyeshadow. And the Kayali and the Nabla eyeliner, because I'm already wearing it, so I really like it already. And I think you can create some fun looks with this palette. Like, you could kind of stack them, or you could kind of just use one or two, whatever you choose to do. But I think you can have a lot of fun with the palette, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then I like a good toner, but you know, toners are like those things just like over time. It's nothing to get super excited about, because it takes a while before, if it does something, you actually see it. So, you know. And then the eye cream, I like eye creams, but you know, this will last a long time. This is a good amount here for eye cream. So guys, overall, that is my box for the month of April. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did pick up the BoxyCharm box, I would love to know what you guys got in your box as well, and what is your favorite item out of your box. Hit me up in the comments below and let me know. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm getting in my subscription boxes. And if you're newsy like me and you like to see what other people got, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, you guys have an awesome day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.